everybody, it is me, Living Bread, back again with another video. This gun right here is the Jolt. But what I'm going to show you is this Jolt, my Jolt. Now look at this part right here. Look at the colour of that. That's orange. Now, if you wait there, I'm back with another one maybe. This is my brother's, and it has a grey one. Now, those of you who haven't heard of the Jolt, it's like a little pistol, and it has this thing here, which you pull down to load, and then with two in your hand it's different because you have to go like this. You have to take these two fingers off of a gun. Alright, and now I will show you the fire strike. Dun, 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 dun. Is that you? But yeah, this is the fire strike. If you don't know how it works like this. This thing here, you can either go like that or go like this. I go like this. You pull that back, and this little thing here, this trigger, this one, push that down and the laser comes on. And the last gun I will show you is the Mega Magnus. Oh. If I go like this, the camera like reverts all the words. This is Mega, by the way. So with this, if you don't know how this works, it's literally like the others, but it's kind of different. So yeah, and that is the Jolt, showed the Fire Strike and the Mega Magnus. And I will see. Well, that does it for this video. Hope guys liked it. If you did, leave a like down below and to subscribe. And I will see you guys next time. Levitate away.